Well, Junior League of Mobile is now recruiting new members, and the Women's Service Organization will host 2 open houses soon coming up. President Amanda Gonzalez and President-elect Sarah Baumgartner are here to tell us more. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's glad to have you here, and could you just tell us a little bit more about what the Junior League of Mobile is doing?
Yeah, well, we're celebrating our 90th year of service this year, so we're really excited. We've been serving Baldwin County and Mobile County for that long, and we're just a group of women very passionate about giving back to our community.
Perfect. And then I hear that you're having 2 open houses. Can you tell me a little bit more about those?
We are. We're actually having one tomorrow night. It starts at 6:30 at our headquarters, and then we'll have one next month, April 13th. They're just open to any woman that is interested in joining Junior League. It's part of our general membership meetings that we have once a month.
Perfect. And then what kind of activities does the Junior League of Mobile do to help give back?
Well, Sarah actually is over our management team this year, and so she runs all of the community projects that we do. If you want to talk a little bit.
Yeah, so one of the newest things that we've started is a diaper bank initiative, and through that we're able to have our new incoming provisionals raise funds and have like diaper drives to get diapers, and then we're able to distribute it. Right now we have 3 community partners, and we've distributed over 20,000 just this year alone. And so we also have an Adopt a School program that we work with George Hall Elementary, and we've been able to provide like iPads when they had to go to homeschooling, school supplies at the beginning of this year. We installed water stations at the school so that they could refill their water bottles. And that's just a couple of the things that we do. We have 7 community partners, and we do projects all year long.
Perfect. And then are there any requirements for the members?
You have to
age or?
Yeah, well, you have to be a woman, and you have to be 23, and those are our only 2 requirements. And you just have to be passionate about giving back to the community.
Perfect. And then for the open house, what was the location on that again?
57 North Sage Avenue. It's at our headquarters.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And then how could they get in contact with you?
So all the information's on our website. If you go to www.juniorleaguemobile.org, you can find a little tab that says interested in joining or become a member. And if you just follow through that process, we'll get you squared away.
Oh, that's wonderful. So in case you're looking to give back, do you guys have any more information that you would like to just throw out there?
I just think Sarah and I both have been members for a long time, and the difference that it makes professionally and in our community service, it's just wonderful for any woman to take part in.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, if you're looking to give back, please go to our website. That's where you can find this interview again, fox10tv.com. I want to thank you both so much for coming
Thanks
out
for having us.
And remember, if you want to give back, this is the place to go. Joe.
Thanks.